Indian government had taken over, we used to come here and have different programs, and I must tell you today that I used to feel very embarrassed coming here. And every time I used to come in, I used to wait when will the program be over, because every time I look on the side, there's something hanging, and I would see that the chairs are broken. We won't talk about who did it, but those kind of things were there. And this is really a piece of our history. And so many events have taken place here, and it really used to prick me whenever I used to come in here and feel really bad that this has been neglected. And today, really I must congratulate Federick and the entire team and our Honorable Minister, Art and Culture, for really taking the initiative and making this happen. We have limited scope to do an existing space. There's limited scope to really improve things, but it has been tremendous, and I'm sure that we can all feel it also. You can feel the coldness, right? That's the air conditioning that's working. So, all those kind of things are happening. So it's really great, and I must congratulate all the team members in the entire Department of Art and Culture and the individuals who were involved in making this happen. It's really great, and it's a matter of pride, I should say, because we used to have very important individuals coming in here. We used to have Government of India, central government ministers coming in, sometimes it's ambassadors coming in. And I think it's a matter of pride for the state when we're able to provide world-class setups. And of course, we will try to keep improving on this. But I strongly feel that a lot of work has been done. So I once again congratulate. And this is something that we feel is required more and more.